Hi.
How many girls out there go into tanning beds during the winter months just to keep their skin a golden dark color? Today I will inform you about the dangers of these tanning beds and why there should be more restrictions put on them. I will tell you why tanning beds are dangerous, its harmful effects, and why more restrictions should be placed on its use. I am knowledgeable on this topic of tanning beds since I have family members that have used tanning beds for years, including my sister Megan. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, it is stated that 35% of American adults tan, 59% of college students tan, and 17% of teens have reported using a tanning bed in their lifetime. Tanning beds are known to be dangerous since it is a known carcinogen, which means that it is a cancer-causing substance. They give off large amounts of UV radiation in a short period of time. This UV radiation comes in two types of rays, UVA rays and UVB rays. UVA rays are the rays that cause wrinkles and premature aging signs, while the UVB rays cause the sunburns and skin cancer, which the main skin cancer is known for melanoma. And UV radiation produces UV rays, which according to Jim Lucas from Live Science, it is a type of electromagnetic radiation that is invisible to the human eye. And UV radiation also damages tissues and cells. These damaged cells causes more melanin production, which is what produces a tan. The cells, by UV radiation, they are killed by DNA damaging, according to Anne Ramelsberg from Scientific American. And also, according to Anne Ramelsberg, UV light initiates thymine molecule reactions, which results in a thymine dimer. And the thymine dimer can repair incorrectly when exposed to these harmful UV rays, causing cellular processes in cells to not carry out their normal functions that a normal cell would do. And there are also numerous harmful effects of these tanning beds. One effect is that it can lead to premature skin aging, which are caused by the UVA rays. And some examples of aging include wrinkles, brown spots, freckles, and tough, leathery skin. Tanning beds can also be an immune depressor, and it can cause eye damage, including cataracts and ocular melanoma. And according to the American Academy of Dermatology, a recent investigation estimated that 3,234 injuries related to indoor tanning were treated in the U.S. hospital emergency departments every year from 2003 to 2012. The most dangerous effect of the tanning beds is skin cancer. And according to the Skin Cancer Foundation, skin cancer is the most common form of cancer in the U.S. and one of the most preventable. And as seen in this visual aid, 3.5 million cases of non-melanoma skin cancer diagnosed in 2.2 million people, with some patients having more than one diagnosis. And skin cancer causes don't just outweigh these four cancers, prostate cancer, breast cancer, lung cancer, and colorectal cancer, but they outweigh all of these cancers combined. And according to the American Academy of Dermatology, even one indoor tanning session can increase users' risks of developing squamous cancer by 67% and basal cell carcinoma cancer by 29%. And the worst skin cancer is melanoma. Based on the Skin Cancer Foundation, people who first use a tanning bed before age 35 increase their melanoma risk by 75%. Knowing all of these detrimental side effects of indoor tanning regulations are needed to be added. One regulation that can be added can be no tanning for minors under the age of 18, regardless of having a parent's consent or not. And another regulation would be to schedule time limits of UV radiation by these tanning beds, and these regulations should be not based off your age or previous UV radiation exposure. And these regulations, I think, should be added since tanning can be addictive. According to the Healthy Living by Anthony Rivas, a study found that the younger a teenager starts tanning, the harder it is for them to quit. And out of 1,275 adolescents ages 14 to 17, 21% reported difficulty trying to quit. In conclusion, indoor tanning should be monitored, and extra precautions and restrictions need to be applied. In this speech, I just informed you about why tanning beds are dangerous, its harmful effects on humans, and why more restrictions should be placed in their use. Now that you know the detrimental effects of tanning beds, I hope that more individuals will think cautiously when thinking about indoor tanning. Instead of tanning in the winter months, embrace the paleness. Your skin will thank you too.